Hi guys, welcome to Smart Gyan. Today we will discuss the problem based on crypt arithmetic, that is Infosys pattern, and this is an extension of the previous video. In my last video I have given an assignment to you, and today we will discuss the question. What is given? The assignment is, let us represent the question in a suitable manner. USSR plus USA is equal to PEACE, PEACE. Here straight we can find the value of P as 1. Value of P as 1. Why? Straight we can find the value of P as 1 because P is carried out value. When P is carried out value, then value of U is 9. Why U is 9? We have already discussed in our previous video, that is U plus nothing should be U, but here it is given U plus nothing is equal to E, means there is some carried out value from the previous column, and the carried out value is maximum. We know why, because when we add any two single digit numbers, the carried out value can be maximum 1. So 1 plus 9, 10. So this way we obtain the value of E is also 0. Now we have obtained value of P as 1, E 0, U 9. Substitute the remaining values, E 9 and here also U 9 and E 0. Then let us eliminate. This stage is very important, particularly this step is very important. Why? Because we can eliminate the digits we have already assigned values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. We have used 0, 1 and 9. Then how R plus A can be 0? What are the possible values of R and A? Coming from the possible values, 8 plus 2, 10. So value of O, that is unit digit, may be 0. 8 plus 2, 10. Then another 7 plus 3, 10. Then next 6 plus 4, 10. Then 5 plus 5 is not possible because that will be repetition, but here R and A are two different letters. So we need two different digits, that is 8 plus 2, 7 plus 3 or 6 plus 4, any one out of these. So this way if you take the first one, that is 8 plus 2, 8 and value of A as 2, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, then carried 1. 1 plus S is equal to C. The value of C will be an odd number. Why? The logic is when we add any any digit twice, maybe odd or even, the sum will be even. For example, 2 plus 2 even digit is equal to 4 sum, or 3 plus 3 2 odd digit twice, that is 6, sum is even. When we add any digit twice, the sum is even, then value of C will be odd. That is, out of the remaining values, either 3 or 5 or 7 can the value of C, 3, 5 or 7, but 3 is not possible because if you value sum of C is 3, then S should be 1, but we have already assumed the value of P as 1. So that's why it is S, value of S is 1, not possible. Then coming to next, value of S as 3, possible, 3 plus 3 6 plus carried out value 1 7. Yes, we have not assumed this, so let us check this one. S as 3 plus 3 6 plus carried out value 1, 3 plus 3 6 plus carried out value 1 is equal to 7. Value of C as 7. Next, coming to next column, value of S is 3, 3 plus 9, that is 12, 2. Yes, carried to A, value of A as 2, we have assigned this here 2, then carried 1. Yes, this is coming to be true. So that is 9, 3, 3, 8, 9, 3, 2. The sum is 1, 0, 2, 7, 0. Then coming to question, what is the value of PEACE? So P1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, that is 10. So value is equal to 10, that is your choice A. Next, given A, BB and CC is equal to ABC. ABC. What can the carried value of A? Carried value can be maximum 2 or minimum 1. We know that minimum 1. Why? Because when we add any two single digit numbers, then carried value can be 1. But when we add any 3 single digits, then carried value can be either 1 or 2. For example, if you take A as 1, B as 2, C as 3, so it will be 6, there is no carried value. But if you take 6, 5 plus 7, then carried value will be 1. But if you take as higher side 9, 8, 7, then sum is 24, carried value is 2. So in this way, carried value can be maximum 1 or 2. But here if you check, suppose you take the higher side 9, 8, 7, then it is not possible. Why? If you take higher side 9, 8, 7, then your sum will be 24. Sum will be 24, 4, then carried 2. Then once in 24 plus 2, that is coming to be 26. So here it is 2, 6, 4, but we have taken 9, 8, 7. So this is not possible. Carried value of A can be maximum 1. Yes, when we got value of A as 1, then substitute the values as 1 and 1. Then coming to others, like other values B and C. So you have to take higher order for carried out values. If you take single lower values, then there will be no carried out, so A will not come out. So take higher values like B for 9, C for 8, that is 1 plus 9, 10 plus 8, that is 18. Yes, see here it is 8 and here also coming 8, and carried 1. Once again 1 plus 1, 2, then value of B is 9, 11 plus value of C is 8, that is 19. 11 plus 8, 19, 9, carried 1. Yes, this is justified. So this way the value of A, B, C is 1, 9 and 8. So question given, what is A plus B plus C? That is 1 plus 9, 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. This is the value of A plus B plus C is 18, that is choice B. I hope you must have been able to understand and also enjoy the session. Thank you all. Have a nice time.